We constantly crawl pool data and price info to calculate your assumed position and gain over time. As the math in the pool changes every second, certain assumptions are made here to standardize the computation among different pools. To start, there are a few assumptions we must make. When you choose your investment start date, we take the number of days and multiply that by 24 hours. So if you started 10 days ago, the starting point of your investment is 240 hours ago. We do this to eliminate any time zone issues. Crypto assets that you added to the pool will not affect the pool's original value, as you are acting as an observer only. Fees and prices in US dollars are based on snapshot data at hourly intervals. Prices of incentive tokens are based on hourly closing price. Token prices in the pool are the same as market price. Some formulas we use are as follows. To calculate the assumed pool share, we divide the principal by the total initial pool value, liquidity. Next, the assumed staking share is the assumed pool share divided by the total staked. Trading fee rewards are determined by taking the sum of hourly trading fee rewards received in US dollars, multiplied by the assumed pool share. DEX yield is the product of the DEX incentive token received, the assumed staking share, and the price of the incentive token. Equity value is obtained by multiplying the total pool value by the assumed pool share. The price effect, which is calculated by subtracting the sum of trading fee rewards and principal from the equity value. That's all for our series on the LPtimemachine tutorial guides. We hope these videos have been helpful. And as always, connect with us on Discord and all of our socials if you have any questions. Thank you.